Most people just pass straight through eSwatini. But we decided to stop and see what we were missing out on with one of Africa's smallest countries. Tucked between South Africa and Mozambique lies one of Africa's smallest and least explored countries, eSwatini. One of the first stops we made was the Ngwenya Glass Factory, a place where discarded glass is transformed into something completely unique. And the surrounds of this place is so stunning, and it is set in the foothills of the beautiful eSwatini countryside. So let us step into Ngwenya Glass and show you what we discovered. Ngwenya Glass is shaped by a legendary Swedish and Swazi alliance that turns local sand into world-class designs. And it all started as a Swedish project where staff were flown to Sweden to truly master the craft, and the most talented local apprentices actually work here. And as you can see, the quality of all the glass and artifacts are really of a world-class standard. We decided to go behind the scenes and look at what the glass making process looks like. Visitors can stand on an overhead balcony to watch the blowers handle molten glass, and it's truly a sight to behold. Today it is widely considered as eSwatini's hottest tourist attraction, and it certainly is. Ngwenya Glass also had a lot of souvenir shops. The pricing was really worth it and not expensive considering the amount of foreign tourists that do visit here. But essentially the variety of souvenirs were really amazing, and a lot of these were handcrafted. And as you can see, the attractions gardens are really stunning with the beautiful mountain ranges all around you on either side. It also makes for a lovely photo opportunity. There was even a cute chocolate shop where we just stocked up on all our goodies for the rest of our trip. The next stop was Swazi Candles, where ancient art melts into modern glow, burning beautifully down into the middle while keeping its vibrant shell alive. And this was a really stunning attraction. There was a lot of souvenirs, a lot of craft, and the candles were really mind-blowing. All of this is done by hand, and we were really impressed. As I mentioned, the outer shell of the candle stays intact whilst the soft inner core burns, creating an illuminated wax lantern. And the variety of the candles are really amazing, such as these animal ones, the art decoration one, and a lot of scented candles as well. And obviously each piece is meticulously sculpted by hand by all of the local craftsmen in eSwatini. which is really amazing. When you visit Swazi Candle Center, you aren't just restricted to watching the masters make their craft, but you also are invited to a music-filled workshop, as you can see currently, where you can hand mold your own wax animal or shape to take home as a lovely, wonderful personal souvenir. What really surprised us was the Hilton Garden in Mbabane. It really is eSwatini's striking urban oasis, curving like a futuristic ship through the hills to bring world-class luxury straight to the heart of the capital of eSwatini. A really beautiful architectural masterpiece, and we were really warmly welcomed on our visit to the hotel. We also visited a local spa, which was very well priced, and there was a lovely Nando's as well, so we really had a lot to eat during our trip. eSwatini might be one of Africa's smallest countries and one that most people simply pass through, but taking the time to stop completely changed our perspective of this beautiful little country. It's quiet, it's natural and full of character, and for us, it was more than worth visiting. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing our content, and we'll really appreciate if you can watch some of our other adventures in Africa as well as the rest of the world.